Good morning. I hope you're all doing well. We are going to add some fractions, and this was a lesson from last week, but I think it's something we need to go back over. So the main thing to remember when you're adding fractions is that your denominator needs to be the same. So I'll make sure you can see this on here. You have 21 over 100. You know that this is the numerator and this is the denominator. I'm going to add 2/10. So tell me what's wrong with this when you're adding. The denominators aren't the same. So how can you make a common denominator? So first of all, since this is 100, this is 21 100ths. It's like if you have a flat that's divided into 100 pieces, 21 of them will be shaded in. And this is if you have a rod that's divided into 10, 2 are shaded in, so that's 2/10. You can't add this and this together. It just wouldn't make sense. So why don't you convert this to hundreds? So you take your 2/10, and remember, whatever you multiply your denominator by to get 100, and you know that would be 10 because 10 times 10 equals 100, you've got to also multiply your numerator by. So what would that be? That would be 20 100ths. So now, can you add 21 100ths and 20 100ths? You sure can. So let's take this over here. I'm just going to sort of draw a bar. Rewrite 21 100ths plus, we just did 20 100ths. Add 41 100ths. And so when you have a flat that's divided into 100 parts, I know I'm not doing it, I'm just showing you, 41 of those would be shaded in. And so you converted this so you're able to show this on here. That's 41 100ths. Let's do another one. What about 32 100ths plus 28 100ths plus 6/10. How can we do that? So we have two that are the same. We've got the 32 100ths and we've got the 28 100ths. What about the 6/10? We need to convert that to hundreds, don't we? So I'm just going to leave this here, and I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to say 6/10 times. And since I want to make this common denominator, I'm going to say times 10 over 10. And whatever you multiply your denominator by, you also have to multiply your numerator by. So 6 times 10 would be 60, and 10 times 10 would be 100. Okay? So now you can add 60 100ths to this, can't you? So let's do this. I'm just going to rewrite it that I already have. Okay? So we're going to add our 32, our 28, and our 60. We'll come down here and add that. You can do it in your head if you want to. So we made a 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. Plus 6 is 20, so 120. So this is 120 over 100. So this is like a flat and 20 more of a flat. So we call this an improper fraction because your numerator is higher than your denominator. So what do we need to do? We can change this into a mixed number. So if you say 120 divided by 100, that would go one time. How many left over? 20. 20 over 100. And can you reduce? Yes. How many times will 20 go into 100? 5, so it would be 1/5. So 1 and 1/5 would be your answer. So I'll leave that there for just a second so you can look at it. Okay, let's do another one. What if you had 5/10 plus 3/10 plus 18 100s? So let's think about this for a second. So either all of your denominators could be 10, but then you would have a mixed number that you'd have to add in there. And you could do that, but why don't you just change your denominators to 100? Since you already have, I think that would be the easiest on this. So remember, you're going to multiply your numerator and denominator by 10, so that would make it 50 over 100. Plus, remember, you're going to multiply your numerator and denominator by 10, so that would make it 30 over 100. And you already have 100 here. So what are we going to get? If we add these up, see, that would be 8, 9, be 98, wouldn't it? And then remember, your denominators are going to stay the same. So that would be 100. So 98 100ths. So that means that if you have a flat that's divided into 100 parts, how many of them will be shaded in? 98. And how many would be left over? Just 2. So 2 100ths plus 98 100ths would be 100 100ths, and that equals 1. Let's try another one. What about 9/10 plus 4 100ths? You're right. You've got to have the same denominator in order to add. So why don't we convert 9/10 to 100? So we say 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. Plus, since we have the 100 as a denominator, we can just add. So 90 plus 4 equals 94 100. So of that flat that is 100, how many are going to be shaded in? 94. How many are going to be left over? 6 100ths. Okay. Let's do another one. One more. I want you to try to work this one out before I do. $39 100ths plus 2/10. Okay, going to convert. So this one you can keep. It's 100. That's 39 out of 100. So you need to multiply. 2 times 10 is 20. 10 times 10 is 100. So 39 plus 20 would be what? 59 over 100. Very good. Good job. Keep practicing on these. These are fun. We'll do a few more lessons. I have some other things planned. Hope you have a great day.